Evening class, how you doing? Today we arrived to Ubud. We're gonna show you two interesting places around. I have a meeting, so I have to be busy with my friends. So we're gonna show you around the first place, and then we're gonna move to different location. Also in Ubud, this one is the park here. You might know this place. We used to be here already a few times. Very nice futuristic estate. I really like it, actually more and more I like it, this place. Also great place for meetings. And another place is more into jungle club, which is very very popular nowadays in Ubud, in Bali especially. So bear with us till the end, because maybe one of these two places or maybe both you're gonna really enjoy it.
I will take you to stroll around the place while I'm having lunch here. Damian is busy with his friends. This place, what I can say, most of them are foreigners, international visitors. So yeah, enjoy it while I'm strolling around. So now we are in Park Yooo. If you still remember about this complex of estate. So yeah, we are here to have a lunch and showing you how it is. Okay, so I'll take you to stroll around the restaurant area in Park Yooo. And one of these is the vitamin, the detox bar. They also have the salad bar. You see this area, many digital nomad also here working. I think that some people are here enjoying their lunch and also at the same time working. To see how it is. See, many people having a business conference online. People have a talk. You see, many people are working on the computer like this. And this one is the kitchen. They're selling pizza. Looks so good. This is the brand new pizza restaurant. Yeah, they just open it. The pizza looks so good. Yummy, yummy. So that's the bar situation basically. So yeah, like I told you, many people are working on the laptop. This is a brand new era of how the people are doing business. And we stroll around showing you the kitchen. This one is the boutique. Very nice. This one is jewelry shop. This one is another kitchen and coffee shop. Looks so yummy, tempting. And like I told you, people are here. Looks so many business owners meeting, having meeting, and working on the laptop. Looks so nice. See, almost all the people working on the laptop. Ooh, I have to be quiet. They have almost all.
That was the cool place. Now we are going to different place, which is also cool or maybe less cool, depends, because this is like a tourist place with pretty expensive ticket. However, we're planning to go to the restaurant. And this is the, of course, tourist attraction, something different at least, because this place is actually very popular. So the place is some sort of like this one, you have a ticket, entrance and everything. But we are thinking go to restaurant, and this is how does it look like, the name. And there are some happy tourists here. What do you think? Will be interesting? No, let's see. Let's see what's going on. How much is the ticket, say?
Well, the ticket basically on the entrance actually 50K per person. Either you are local or you are bule.
That's
international visitors.
Show the
same.
ticket, or you didn't? Or you just got the receipt and the thingy, the ribbon, yeah?
Yeah, you have to wear it.
I don't like to wear it. It's like all-inclusive hotel.
So if you turn left, basically this one will be coffee tour, like a coffee luwak plantation, rice field, glass floor, shop and activities. Like if you wanna have a swing, sky bike, flying fox, you can turn left over there. You see, it's just like the coffee plantation tour. But we are not going there. We are more interested in jungle club. Let's go down.
Thank you. and this is the name in case if you ask. So the entrance fee is actually 100k to 50k per person, and the menu looks like this one. So it's slightly pricey here, I'm gonna tell you. Like a chocolate cake 70k, tiramisu 85, but that's how it is. And the drinks, we took the hot cappuccino over here, also 17.5% of tax. And this is like a jungle club actually. Come here for coffee, luwak if you want, but if not, only for chilling or maybe party.
Yeah.
There's no ocean, but the DJ is there actually. Check this out, there's the DJ and people enjoying their time in the jacuzzi and in the swimming pool in general. And you know, they're just enjoying their time overlooking the rice field, so you can have a beautiful picture obviously. And mostly these places are created for making the pictures and memories. Would you like to add something else, Sayan?
Maybe I will go down and show you a bit closer how
That's the very good idea, Sayan. Many people will appreciate that for sure.
What I explained as a jungle club, people coming here for having a drink by the swimming pool, and yeah, what I can say, this is it. And over there, looking at the rice field view. So yeah, let's go down and show you around. You see how is this place? It's quite busy actually. It's very hot outside, and I think the best time to have a dip in the pool. And yeah, this is it. Enjoying time by the pool. And yeah. So yeah, this is actually a long time ago over there. I think still the coffee luwak plantation, but here is the jungle club with the DJ on the top. Yeah, so that's the DJ actually playing. And yeah, this is it. How is the vibe in the jungle club? So basically this is actually the trend nowadays in Bali. Either it is a beach club or jungle club. So what I can say, no matter what age you are, I see that also some elderly people are here enjoying their time in the pool. And yeah, but mostly we can spot many young tourists here. On the next door is the plantation, coffee plantations basically. Also the swing, if you still remember about the place for the swing, that's the swing. See, swing is just like so many attraction, rice paddies, and yeah. So this is the tourist attraction. So there on the top you see this lady will do the swing, and then yeah, that's the rice paddies, and that's the bridge. And that stone carving over there, and also the rice paddies.
Woi teman-teman, ada Oke. Ready? Ke depan. Len. Ke belakang. Len. Are you ready? Ready. Yo. Say. Okay, let go your hand. Let go your hand. Open.
So this is our coffee and cake, and when I was calculating actually how much all it's cost, So 45,000 for the cappuccino, 70,000 for this one plus entrance fee gives you exactly almost 288,000 rupiah, which is almost 300, which is actually 20 American dollars for 2 coffee and cake in the place like this. Alright guys, as I mentioned previously, the prices here are a little bit higher than anywhere elsewhere. Well, that's kind of sure, but you're paying for the view of the beautiful rice fields and the jungle club, jungle disco vibe, something like that. Many of you may really actually like it, so let me know in the comment section if you like it, if you would like to come. Thanks to our video, you know now where to go and what to do in Ubud rather than just strolling around the streets. Well, many people in the past videos saying as, Damian, you forgot to say goodbye to us. Please like, share, subscribe, all of the YouTube stuff. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being with us today. I hope so you enjoy. And as always, we will see you tomorrow at 4 p.m. local time. See ya.